What's up guys, at the end of my other video I asked you a question: should Twin Towers of the World Trade Center be rebuilt? 69% of you choose yes and 31% choose no. Votes are based on the chart created today on October 8, 2021. The voting is still available, so current result may change over the time. But it's clear people wanna see Twin Towers dominating the skyline once again. New York City skyline has dramatically transformed in the past decade. 432 Park Avenue, Hudson Yards and numerous other skyscrapers started to put Empire State Building into the shadow of new century. Larry Silverstein's World Trade Center complex replaced the original towers. World Trade Center 2 is still under construction, as there were first plans to build Foster and Partners design, but on June 2015, building was newly redesigned by Björk Angels of Björk Angels Group. In 2021, Silverstein returned to Foster and Partners design. Seriously, they don't know what to build. If they listen to the people, on the other hand, Twin Towers 2, also called Plan of the People, was a proposed twin-towered skyscraper complex that would have been identical to original Yamasaki design. The complex was designed by American architect Herbert Belton and sponsored by Donald Trump. In 2002, Lower Manhattan Development Corporation launched the World Trade Site Memorial Competition, in which proposed twin tower designs were rejected. Chosen design was largely criticized by the public. All the people who worked in the towers wanted them back. Previously mentioned Björk Angels design for the new Two Trade Center was rejected by Larry Silverstein, but before construction of the new complex, Björk stated that he would have rebuilt the Twin Towers if it were up to him. He commented, "There is such a big part of identity of Manhattan. When you watch Tony Soprano drive out of the Holland Tunnel, he can see the towers in his rearview mirror. They looked very strong. If people wanted to see Twin Towers rebuilt, why it didn't happen?" It all lay in arms of Larry Silverstein. The towers suffered high vacancy rates for decades, which led to plans to privatize the complex. On July 2001, Silverstein bought the original World Trade Center complex for $3.2 billion, only to see it destroyed 7 weeks later. Even worse, on 9/11, this guy was supposed to have a breakfast meeting at Windows on the World. His wife insisted that he attend a medical appointment, due to which he escaped certain death. Was this the reason he didn't want to rebuild Twin Towers? A bad memory? Seeing them go up could be as powerful as seeing them go down, Ken Gardner stated, engineer of the new complex. If Silverstein didn't bought the old complex, then the owner would still be the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey, and probably they would have listened to Plan of the People. I personally think if the towers were rebuilt, even more secure, tenants working there still wouldn't feel safe and constantly be reminded of victims who jumped from the towers. World Trade Center site will remind people for years to come of that terrible day, but I do think that in the future Twin Towers should be rebuilt with maximum security. 9/11 changed the sky and the people of New York City.